Rondout Reservoir is 6.5 miles long and holds 49.6 million gallons of water. Somebody had the bright idea of hiking to a waterfall with no marked trail, but we found it. With the trail up is gonna suck. Was it worth the hike?
No.
Do you know what kill means? We sure didn't. Turns out it's just a body of water, most commonly a creek. Better be worth it. Wow. Something weird up here.
Yeah, stairs. You gotta climb.
I've never seen anything like this.
Yeah, it sucks.
Dude, that was a butt shot. You did that much more gracefully than I did. We made it. Woohoo! Stony Kill Falls drop 87 feet with a 30-foot cascade at the top. That was our favorite spot. We later found out that this is a popular place for nudists. Must say I'm glad we had it to ourselves. Hey, wish me luck.
Good luck. You can wade in the water. That's pretty much the end of the trail, I think.
Yeah, so we go down here, not up
Yeah.
there.
I remember coming along this.
Navigation error. Is this the way we come?
Navigation error number 2.
That way.
They really want to see your hair and your shoulders, not your butt. Well, I can't speak for everybody.
You prefer to see my butt?
Yeah.
Way of getting them to you, I don't think.
Probably look like an old guy falling. I don't care.
That's some scary stuff. Not even like a real handrail. Oh. Yay! You see the layers of the rock? It's really pretty. Goodbye, waterfall. You can barely see it over there. This reservoir is about 13 miles long and holds almost 123 billion gallons of water. No swimming's allowed because it's part of New York's water supply.